In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. Mauritius is a beautiful country in the African continent with a population of about 1.5 million people. A country where about 70% are Muslims, and due to the large presence of Indian people, it was a suitable place for Mr. Masrour Hassan to preach Islam. He was a Shia preacher from India and a member of the World Assembly of Ahlal-Bayt, peace be upon them. Masrour Hassan Majidi Mubarakpur, the son of Hakim Maulawi Abdul Majid, was born in 1944 in the city of Mubarakpur in the country of India, and continued his classical studies in the Sultania community of Lucknow until his master's degree. And after that, he entered the seminary of preachers in Lucknow, and after 3 years, he got the certificate of preaching, and by immigrating to the holy city of Qom, he continued his seminary lessons until the highest level. Masrour Hassan Majidi preached in the eastern state of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar after graduating from Lucknow Preachers School. He was also sent by this school to preach in Rangoon, the former capital of Myanmar. From 1974 to 1980, he was the editor-in-chief of al-Wai's monthly magazine of Lucknow. And in addition to that, he also wrote articles and translated other works. He spent many years of his blessed life in the Republic of Mauritius, propagating the true religion and promoting the knowledge of the Ahlul-Bayt, peace be upon them. Masrour Hassan Mubarakpuri is the author of books and articles on various topics, and one of them is a commentary book entitled Majid al-Bayan fi Tafsir al-Quran in Urdu language. Also, after his trip to Qom in 1983, in cooperation with the Islamic Preaching Organization, Masrour Hassan wrote scientific articles and translated some books into Urdu, some of which are The Belief of Ahl Sunnah wal Athar fi al-Mahdi al-Muntazir, written by Abdul Mohsen al-Abad, Moral Philosophy, Right and Wrong, and Man and Religion, written by Shaheed Murtaza Mutahari, Imam Jafar Sadiq, peace be upon him, Leader and the Head of the Religion, written by Akiki Bakshayeshi. The Islamic Revolution is the Way for the Future of Nations, written by Masih Muhajiri. He has also summarized the book Arjah al-Matalib fi Manaqib Asadullah Ghalib, written by Ubaidullah Amritsari, a Sunni scholar. In 2008, Masrour Hassan passed away in Komadi near the city of Nagpur, India. His body was taken to his hometown Mubarakpur and buried there.